Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Spotify blend. So go for your Spotify app, then go to search bar and search your blend. Okay, now go for this blend option. Now create a blend. After that you have to invite your friends. Okay, now go for invite and maximum 10 people can join a blend. So this is how you can make a blend on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.